Shift forward to all fours. Extend the left leg straight back with the toes curled under and press through the heel. Try and keep the hips square and the lower back level. Wonderful. Gently bringing that left knee back to the mat. We'll transition over to seated, so bring the feet to one side, bum down, and send the legs out in front of you. From here, we're going to cross the left ankle on top of the right thigh, and then from underneath, slide your fingers between your toes. So pinky finger between pinky toe, second piggy, ring finger, so on and so forth. Slide your fingers all the way down to your toes. And get the webbing of the fingers right into the webbing of the toes. Then start to move the toes forward and back using that right hand. And then draw some big circles with the ankle. So rather than the ankle doing the work, think the right arm is doing the work to move the ankle around, switch directions. Nice. Gently release the fingers from the toes. Sitting up nice and tall, we're going to add on for a pose called fire log here. So we want to have that right heel directly underneath the left knee. You can always prop the blanket in between the space of your knee and your ankle if you need to. And now hinge forward a little bit and bring your right elbow to press into the inside of the left arch of the foot. So there's no right or wrong way to do this. You could also just use your hands to give yourself a little foot massage. But most of us have quite a bit of tension and can find some really stiff spots in the feet once we give ourselves a little bit of kind of self-care and pampering time. You can stay with giving some love to that left foot, or you can hinge forward and fold right over top of the legs. So we're working into the left hip here. Keep encouraging the left knee to open up. Our hips are still grounded, and if it suits you, try flipping the palms up to the ceiling, which helps us to stay soft and relaxed through the upper body. Settle in for a couple deep breaths here. If it's intense, let some exhales come out the mouth so we can really relax.